Wednesday, the 20th of May. Read and follow the directions carefully for today's lesson. First question, your name. I will drop the video for this into the second bit. Here's a multiple choice question. Which one of these has the same value as 12 times 3, or 12 groups of 3? Is it 10 plus 3 plus 2? 10 times 3 plus 2? 10 times 3 plus 3? 10 times 3 plus 6? Choose one of the multiple choice questions for 1 point. Now, today previously we've been looking at addition strategies. So today we're going to look at some great strategies for subtraction to make it easier for you. And most people go, oh no, subtraction. But these strategies will actually help a lot. So we'll have a little look. We'll start with 2 strategies today and we'll move on to another 2 tomorrow. Just like addition, you can use the jump strategy to subtract. You need to watch this video. There's some children in there that will show you how to use your number line, and you'll need to use the number line that's on the link page for today to do your subtractions using the jump strategy. Use the jump strategy to answer this number sentence. 85 take away 32. Rewatch the video if you need to make it really easy. Use the jump strategy to answer this number sentence. 129 minus 52. Use the jump strategy to answer this number sentence. And this one's a multiple choice. 653 take away 345. You need to choose the correct answer. Make sure you've tried it on your number line to try and figure out which answer that could be. A cafe makes 567 sandwiches and sells 167 before 11 o'clock. How many sandwiches are left? Use that jump strategy in your number lines to try and figure out which one of these could be correct. Our second strategy for today is the multi-digit subtraction. And we've got our math antics man back to show us how to do that really easily. You may need to watch this video a couple of times to understand the regrouping or the borrowing factor of subtraction. It's a little bit different to addition, so I suggest you click in the bottom corner when you press play and go to YouTube and watch it as many times as you need to. Use the multi-digit subtraction strategy to answer this question. 48 take away 35. This is just simply putting the number in here that you get after you've used that multi-digit subtraction strategy. Use the multi-digit subtraction strategy to answer this question. You will need to regroup or borrow for this problem, and you'll only do it once for this one. 165 take away 49. Type your answer in here. Re-watch the video for this one because this number sentence you need to regroup twice. So you might need to re-watch, but I've made it a multiple choice to make it a little bit easier. 534 take away 67. Use that regrouping or borrowing strategy shown in the video, which will make it really easy. Use the multi-digit subtraction strategy to answer this question. The delivery man has 288 eggs to deliver. On the drive, 29 eggs break. How many eggs are left? Your answer goes in here. Kai receives $120 for his birthday. He buys a drone for $49. How much money does Kai have left? Remember, you need to include that dollar sign before your answer to be correct. Without the dollar sign, you will be incorrect. Your answer goes here. Today we have a second section. You'll all need to press this anyway for the second section. I'm going to have to go back to my page. The second section is a challenge question. Now, the challenge question is available for everybody to have a go at, and you can use whatever strategy that you've learnt today to try and figure this out. Max's Pop collected 526 NRL football cards. He gave Max 68 of them to keep. How many cards does Max Pop have left? So use either of the strategies that you've learnt today. All of Mrs. Miles' Maths group will complete this one and answer the question down the bottom. If you're Mrs. Newton's Maths group, you're still welcome to have a go.